Looking for a gaming PC that handles the latest titles smoothly without breaking the bank? The CYBERPOWERPC Gamer Master series, powered by AMD's Ryzen 3 CPU, promises just that: solid performance, sharp graphics, and easy setup, all wrapped in a sleek design. I recently got my hands on the Gamer Master equipped with the AMD Ryzen 3 4100 processor, running at 3.8 GHz with 4 cores and 8 threads. Right out of the box, setup was refreshingly simple. No complicated builds or confusing manuals, just unbox, plug in, and power on. Windows 11 Home guided me through the initial setup in about 15 minutes, and I was ready to jump into gaming. The tower itself is impressively spacious, which helps with airflow and keeps the system running quietly even during intense sessions. The tempered glass side panel adds a modern touch, letting you show off the customizable RGB lighting. The included remote makes it easy to switch colors or turn the lights off if you prefer a more subtle look. While the mouse and keyboard included aren't top tier, they're enough to get started, and you can always upgrade to your favorites later. Under the hood, the Gamer Master features an AMD B550 chipset, 8 GB of DDR4 RAM, and a speedy 500 GB PCIe NVMe SSD, delivering quick load times and smooth multitasking. The graphics come from NVIDIA's GeForce GT 1032 GB video card, which handles popular games like Rainbow Six Siege, Borderlands 3, and Slay the Spire with ease. Whether you're gaming, browsing, or streaming, this PC keeps up without a hitch. Connectivity options are generous with 6 USB 3.1 ports, 2 USB 2.0 ports, an RJ45 Ethernet jack supporting gigabit speeds, and 802.11 AC Wi-Fi for wireless convenience. Audio is powered by a 7.1 channel setup, providing immersive sound whether you're gaming or watching movies. What really stands out is the value. Priced around $850 on sale, this pre-built gaming PC offers performance that rivals custom builds at a fraction of the hassle. Plus, it comes with a 1-year parts and labor warranty and free lifetime tech support, so you're covered if anything goes wrong. If you want a reliable, mid-level gaming PC that's ready to play right away and won't slow you down, the CYBERPOWERPC Gamer Master is worth a look. It blends solid hardware, easy setup, and stylish design, all backed by a brand you can trust. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your gaming experience without the stress of building your own rig. The Gamer Master delivers what you need to dive into your favorite games with confidence and style.